Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a significant shift in the approach to hormone replacement therapy for menopause, as the United States Department of Health and Human Services has decided to remove the stringent black box warnings from these medications. This marks a reversal of a policy set in the early years of the 21st century. Black box warnings are among the most severe forms of cautionary advice placed on medications, indicating potentially serious risks. These warnings were initially added after studies suggested hormone replacement therapy could increase the likelihood of breast cancer, heart disease, and stroke in some women. However, Martin Makary, the FDA commissioner, has criticized this labeling as unscientific, and experts believe that removing these warnings might ease access for women suffering from menopause symptoms. Since the addition of these warnings in 2003, research has shown that the risks of cancer and metabolic diseases were likely overstated. This led to many women and healthcare providers shying away from these treatments. Still, experts caution that the FDA's latest statement might exaggerate the benefits of hormone therapy for certain conditions. This decision is part of a broader effort by Makary and Kennedy to reassess past FDA decisions, including those related to vaccines. A panel of experts convened in July to review the scientific evidence surrounding the risks and benefits of hormone therapy for menopause. It is crucial to note that this change does not apply to all hormone therapies. Treatments containing only estrogen will continue to carry warnings about the risk of endometrial cancer, a concern that previously received insufficient attention. Alongside this policy change, the agency has approved 2 new menopause treatments, a generic version of a hormone therapy pill Premarin, and Linkuit by Bayer, a non-hormonal option for symptoms like hot flashes. While hormone therapies indeed carry real risks, these may be relatively minor. Women with a history of reproductive cancers or blood clots should avoid these therapies. Gynecologic oncologist Kemi Dahl advises that women with a uterus should be particularly aware of the heightened risk of endometrial cancer from estrogen-only treatments. While lifting the black box warnings could improve access to hormone therapies, experts emphasize the need for further research to accurately assess their benefits and risks. The safety and effectiveness of these treatments remain a contentious topic, as the medical community continues to seek ways to enhance the health of women during menopause. Thank you for watching Science Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful science content.